Hi YouTube, hi everyone. It's 5:15 in the morning in England, and I've just finished making these. I've stuck them down to white felt. They're made using these glass beads. Not beads, sorry, cabochons. Can pick them up from anywhere. I've got the small ones. Then I used a selection of nail polishes and this glitter, holographic glitter. Then I used F6000 and this tacky glue, Gemtech. It's really good. Sorry for my dry hands. I love this glitter. And these polishes. So you know the polishes that I added, the nail polish remover, they work quite well now. They're not fantastic, but they do work. Okay, so the background polishes are black, black and black. And I got silver there. Then I used my white one. Then I used some dewdrops glitter. Then that. Well, basically I used as many as nice things as possible. So my favourite ones are the greeny blue ones. So I got the light on my, oh yeah, and that's one of my favourites too. It's holographic and white. Sorry for my messy fingers. So there, that's got a white nail polish at the back. And there, this is a crackle and gold and pink. And this is just silver. This is just silver, but different polishes. This is bluey green. That's black, green and gold. That's similar, black, green and gold. That is gold. Should be gold. Yeah, there you go. And that's crackle and black and pink. Yeah, that's so nice. Did I tell you that one? Yeah, so this one is this. Although it looks green, but it's actually blue. Maybe it's my lighting, I don't know. So I'm going to make some more. Because I'm having so much fun, and I watched this Russian lady. She does make absolutely wonderful cabochons by herself. Glass cabochons like this. And then she, with a diamante trim, goes around using her Russian strong glue. I'm going to use F6000. So when these are dry, I'm going to cut them down into squares. They're dry, but when they're probably stuck onto the white felt, so I just did it now. My white felt's quite thin and it's not stiff. Her white felt was stiff. Mine is quite flimsy, but it's not overly flimsy, so that's good. So I can't wait to get started. Yeah, so then I'm gonna turn one into a gem and then show you, but I can't do it right now. It's such a great idea, isn't it? Make your own gems. Yeah. Okay. See, give me a thumbs up if you like this. This is supposed to be crackle, but it didn't work on my nail. But it's worked in here. So unusual, isn't it? It's crackle polish for your nail. It worked on the cabochon, but not on my nail. Maybe you have to put a coat underneath, I'm not sure. I don't use this stuff that much. Oh, it's sort of cracked. It looks ugly. Anyway, never mind. See you. Take care. Bye. Hello to my new subscribers. Thanks for joining my club. See you. Bye.